welcome to my channel. Today I'm in the Golden Sands in the Grifid Vistamar hotel in Bulgaria. This is a 4-star hotel and I will show you everything, the spa area, the restaurants, the pools, and the special thing is the concept area, which I will show you, which is on the rooftop. So follow me in the Grifid Vistamar in Golden Sands in Bulgaria. Hello and welcome. This is the entrance of the Grifid Vistamar hotel here in the Golden Sands in Bulgaria, on the Black Sea. This is the entrance. You see here immediately the check-in area, and you can exchange the money. You know, the currency is here leva, and it's 2 to 1 basically. And here also you can make and book several tours. Here's the customer area, and on the ground floor you can see you can relax here. Also information about the activity, the sports program, what you can do. And when we go a little bit further, we are still on the ground floor. This is an all-inclusive. I can show you here, we call it the konditorei, and you can eat different sweets. Everything is included here, including the coffee and the chocolate and the cakes. So this guy will make you a nice coffee. There are different coffee areas you can order here: frappuccino, cold macchiato, honey cook, French kicks, etc. So when you are in for some sweets, just order a coffee. It's quite a nice high qualitative coffee machine. You will make your customized coffee whatever you want, and then you can sit down here and get a coffee, or probably also a tea, and eat all your sweet stuff. So it's quite popular, and everything also here is included. And here when we go outside, we still have, this is the healthy corner. There are also some healthy breakfast snacks here served. So they will come in about 1 hour. And so currently you have water, lemonade with cucumber. So you can sit here and really relax. So now we go outside. So you see we are on the Black Sea, and when we open here, immediately here to the right is a pool, and here is a snack bar. You can have snacks. This is a snack bar, and it's also an Italian bar. So you can have continental breakfast here, some drinks from 10 o'clock. So they are just preparing everything, and you can sit here and have your snack or have your continental breakfast. So people still, this is the breakfast area, and this is the pool area. Let's go a little bit down. This is the other side, the other entrance. of the Vistamar here in the Golden Sands in Bulgaria on the Black Sea. So you see immediately you're on the Black Sea. So this is, as said, Grifid Hotel. Grifid Hotel has 9 hotels here in the Golden Sands. This is a Grifid Metropole Hotel, and just give you an overview. They have 325 rooms. So this was a Grifid Hotel, and here, let's say, is the Golden Sand area, and it goes here. You have restaurants, you have kids areas, we have everything here to walk in the evening. Also some people make sport here. Flowers. One thing which is very nice here, just to say, is the climate. We have end of June, 26th of June, and it's still around 26 to 27 degrees, so the pool is pretty busy. Of course, it's summertime, and it's never gets that crazy hot. This is the pool bar, like maybe more in the south, where you have nowadays sometimes 35 to 40 degrees. This never happens here, and there's always a cool breeze here from the sea, so it's really something to consider in case you don't like the extreme heat. So again, another bar. As said, everything is included. Here, this is a lobby bar. We can have a look at the drink menu. So if you're interested, here you have hot drinks, beer, wine. You can of course also have cocktails. This is a cocktail card. Apple martini, cosmopolitan, espresso martini, and you have also mocktails which are without alcohol. Also, of course, the classical Aperol spritz, strawberry spritz, Hugo, so long drinks. So basically you have everything here what you want. The bar is open, the lobby bar is open 5 o'clock, 9 o'clock in the morning. So it's really something you can enjoy here. Give you also a view of the different spirits they have here. So this is the spa and fitness area of the Grifid Vistamar. So once you go in, you have here the spa areas with different treatments and massage. So it's not open yet, but here you have the different possibilities for massage and rituals, full body massage, face therapy, partial massage, so whatever you want, including the prices. And if we further go, I will show you a little bit around how it looks like. Here is the treatment area. Have a look. Quite early in the morning, so there's nobody here. Everything is clean, and the different rooms here. Here after the massage or before the massage. Also a steam bath and the sauna area. Here you have the showers after the sauna, and basically that is the indoor pool. Let us walk a little bit further. And then last but not least, I will show you the fitness center of the Grifid Vistamar here in the Golden Sands in Bulgaria. I think one or two people are there. Hopefully we will not disturb them. So the fitness center is here. Just as a sneak peek, it's not extremely huge, but it has everything you need for your daily fitness routine. So that what is for the fitness and indoor pool, beauty salon, manicure, sauna and steam bath.